What are your COBRA rights when you leave a job? Imagine losing your health coverage just when you need it most. That's where understanding your COBRA rights can make a big difference. When you leave a job, you might be surprised to learn you can keep your health insurance for a while longer. The law called the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act gives you this option. It applies if your job loss is a qualifying event, like being laid off, quitting, or having your hours cut. You can usually keep your coverage for up to 18 months after the event. This means if you were enrolled in your employer's health plan when you left, you can continue it without interruption. But there are some rules to follow. Your employer or plan administrator must notify you about your COBRA rights within 14 days after your job ends. Once you get the notice, you have 60 days to decide if you want to keep your coverage. If you choose to continue, you need to pay the full premium, which can be up to 100% of what you paid before. That extra 2% covers administrative costs. Payments are due monthly, and you get at least a 30-day grace period to make each payment. If you miss a payment, your coverage can be canceled. It's important to know that if you were fired for gross misconduct, COBRA might not apply. But most terminations do not meet this high standard. Also, if your hours are reduced and you lose coverage, you can still qualify for COBRA. Family members like spouses and children also have the right to continue coverage if they were enrolled at the time of the qualifying event. Remember, COBRA is meant to protect you from losing health coverage suddenly. You need to act quickly to keep your benefits. Make sure to read all notices carefully and pay your premiums on time. If you decide not to continue, you can look for other options like enrolling in a new health plan through the marketplace. Knowing your COBRA rights helps you stay covered and avoid gaps in your health insurance. It's a safety net that can give you peace of mind during a transition. So, when your employment ends, stay alert, follow the rules, and keep your health coverage intact.